Let's talk about the latest launched OPPO smartphone F29 5G with natural rock texture design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, approximately 93.7% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 1200 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate. And with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 27mm wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 16 megapixel wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.4, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Color OS 15 screen on top the device. And the company provides up to 2 years of OS upgrades and up to 3 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex A78 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB of extended RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.6 by 74.5 by 7.7 mm, and it weighs around 189 grams, and the color options, deep purple, glacier blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery with 45-watt SuperVOOC flash fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with dual stereo speakers. Support, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP66, IP68, IP69 dust-tight and water-resistant. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO F29 5G has been priced for 8GB, plus 128GB storage variant at 23,999 Indian rupees, while 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 25,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this OPPO F29 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.